Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Alright, so today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. So if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love if you would hit that subscribe button and stick around for a while. I have been doing a lot of videos lately on keto, like real quick 5-minute videos, no more than 7-minute videos on just some things that we're cooking around the house. And I hope that you guys are liking them, and I will continue to do them because it's real simple. It doesn't even have to be the ketogenic lifestyle. You can use it in everyday life, right? So I do have a few of those videos up. I do have one Christmas DIY up. I will also be doing my Christmas mouse for you guys. So that is coming up. I'm actually going to film that today. So yeah, so what I do here on my channel is mostly Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree DIYs. I have updates on my channel about my life because it is called Pamslife. So welcome to my channel, and thank you so much if you are a returning subscriber, friend of Pamslife. Alright, Dollar Tree. I told you guys I've been a little bored at the Dollar Tree. So we went to a different Dollar Tree, which was in Augusta, Maine. So I went and I met my mom, and we went to the Christmas tree shop, and we did some shopping. We went out for lunch. It was really fun. So I went to a different Dollar Tree just to see what they had. And this Dollar Tree is huge. It's just so big from end to end. It's huge. The only thing is they don't have a freezer section or refrigerated section. That's the only thing they don't have, which is funny. But I did get some goodies, and I do want to show you a few new things that I found, which I was shocked about finding. Alright, so let me just show you some of the things that I got right now. I love those little window swags. So I got a different one I'm making for my window because this one is the what is this, Comfort and Joy. So it's like little mugs of cocoa. So I thought that would look a little bit cuter in my window, so in my kitchen. So I will be making one of these this week, which they're simple and fun to do. I did get another cake pan. Now this cake pan is for a 3-tiered tray that I've already started it. I put a top on it, but I want another tray to go on, and I like the way this is kind of deep so stuff can't fall out. So I'll show you a picture of the tray that I just made. These were new at my store. This is the Arizona green tea mix and the Arizona peach tea. Now this doesn't have any sugar added to it, so this is pretty good for my keto lifestyle. So I will be trying it. Each of them have 5 calories in it and 2 grams of carbs. So let me see. This is the peach one. This has 2 grams of carbs, so it's 0 sugars. So that's the peach tea. And also this one is the green tea, ginseng and honey. That's probably where it comes from. And this is 2 carbs also, and that's for 1 packet, which there's 10 servings in each packet. You just throw it in your water. Real simple to do. Alright, now this is the new items that I did find at the Dollar Tree. I love these flowers. These are just so pretty. They have like the biggest floral section on any Dollar Tree I've ever seen. So I picked these up. I'm actually going to be making a wreath with some of them, just to add onto my wreath. I really love the way they look. They're just very woodsy, very, very woodsy. If I could just get the cats to not go on them. Then I love this lip gloss Surprise. It's a brilliant lip gloss, so it's for kids. I got it from my niece. I don't know which lip gloss is in it. It's going in her stocking that I'm making her. And then Stefano picked up some of these little mini balls, and I got some of these little stars. It was supposed to be for the tree that I have on the top of my table back there, but I changed the way I want to have it, so I'm not going to be using these. Actually, I wish I could take them back because I have so much stuff. I did pick these up for the cats. These are toys for them. I make sure that they don't, if they get any pieces of them, I pick them up right away. But they're just for them to throw around. You get 3 of them, and it's a great cat toy. They really love those things. I did pick up some Scotch tape. I don't know why I didn't have any Scotch tape, but I don't. And I was hoping to find more of these, but I only found one. So I picked this one up because I have a tree over here that is a little Dollar Tree tree, and I painted it red I spray painted it red, and I put all the buffalo check stuff on that, and that's for Mia. For Mia, our dog Mia, because she passed away, so I made Mia her little tree. She used to love the Christmas trees. And I did pick these up, these cute little birds. I'm making a wreath, and I wanted to have some birds on it, so I picked 2 of them up. And I got myself some more of the jute. This is the natural jute cord. I really like to pick this up because sometimes you can't find the jute cord. So, and this has a lot in it. I also get those 3 packets of jute cord. I like them also. I'm sorry, my dog is eating a biscuit. I don't know. She just decided, all 3 of them decided they're going to eat a biscuit at this particular time. And I got these little bows. These are really cute too. I got some of them just for the cats to knock around. I'm not going to use them on anything. And what else? Oh, I found these berries. Now, I do like to use the little berries on my decor, like when I'm making wreaths and stuff. And I'm always picking the berries off my picks. So I got these just in case I needed them for anything. And at the craft spot, they had a ton of craft stuff. I haven't been to Lewiston, so I don't know. So I picked up some more paintbrushes. You can't go wrong with their paintbrushes. And I got the gold, this is Crafter Square, and it's the gold paintbrush or paint marker. I got that because I'm doing a project with that also. And let's see, what else did I get here? I got another hook. This is for my coats and things. It's over my door in my bedroom. I love these. I really do. But what I do with these is I put a little piece of felt around the top so it doesn't scratch the top of my door. And I also put a little piece of felt on here that hangs on the door so it doesn't mess up my doors. It's just a little quick tip. And I found these cute little llama socks. These are so cute. And they're so soft. So I'm going to get my niece a pair too because I think they're so cute, and put them in her stocking. I got them for me because I'm like a big kid at heart. And she doesn't watch my videos, so this one I wanted to show you here. This cute little picture, look at that with the tool and that's so cute. So I got it for my niece to put it in her bedroom. So I thought that was really cute. And then I got these magnetic bookmarkers, and I really like them. It says peace, grace, and love. I really, really like them. So I got them, one for my Bible. And the rest of this is just basics. Again, guys, there is really nothing new. Nothing new. I can't wait until we get new stuff in. And this holiday will, of course, they'll start putting out stuff for New Year's, and then they'll start putting stuff out for Valentine's Day. I went to Hobby Lobby, and they already have summer stuff out. It's so great. Hobby Lobby was wiped out. They didn't even have picks or anything. I was so upset because they have really good 50% off sale. If anybody knows, if you live near an AC Moore's, make sure you get to AC Moore's. They are actually closing. They were bought by Michael's. So that's funny. So, but they're closing. Everything is like 70% off. You're really going to get some deals there. All right, all sales are final though. Okay, not sponsored. All right, so I did pick up some Reynolds wrap. I love this Reynolds wrap because you just pull it out. It's already in sheets for you. I really like that because I don't need a lot of it. I just need a little piece sometimes. Parchment paper. Can't go wrong at the Dollar Tree for parchment paper. It's always great to have, especially us with making keto. I got this little arrow because I wanted to do like a cocoa sign, like the Santa cocoa sign or something. I want to paint it red and do a little cute thing for it. And I got this ring that has 4 candles on it at Target, and I'm going to do a centerpiece all with Christmas picks and things. So I wanted to get candles, but I didn't want to get real tall ones. So I got these emergency candles, which is good because I always lose my electricity in the snowstorms. So this is good to have. So I got them because they're nice and chunky. I like how big they are. So I thought that would look really cute. And I did pick up another pack of lights. This is for, I don't know, this was going to be for the tree, but then I decided I really like the way it looks without the lights. So, I don't know. We're not all Christmassy here like I thought. Like, I really wanted to have it all decked out in Christmas stuff, but with the way things are going right now, and, you know, Steph knows Dad's health isn't so good, You know, major things are going on with his dad, so we don't know. Like he took a quick trip down there, so we have to keep the door open in case he has to go down there for anything quick. The vacation days are not being used and stuff, just in case he needs to go down for emergencies. It's just, so really it's not the Christmas spirit here, I have to say. It's more of, we know it's Christmas. None of our family is here. You know, I'm going to go to my sister's house, so why decorate my whole house for it? I love Christmas. It's one of my favorites, but I just, I'm not in the Christmas spirit, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm just not. I don't know. Something's off right now. So, all right, and I got these. These are a lifesaver. If you get them, if you see them, keep picking them up because they are a lifesaver. I have them all over, like, see, just when I need them. These are a lifesaver. Love them. All right, and then, like, the last things here, guys, are just like little containers. These square ones I really love. I make my little mini cheesecakes in these. They're good for like snacks when I cut cheese up for Stefano for his work, things like that. And the only other thing I got was this little storage container, and it says amazing things. I just wish it wasn't blue. I wish it was like teal or something, but I really like that one. I'm going to keep it by my desk here, so I put little itsy bitsy things that I don't want to lose inside of it. But yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul, guys. Not much, huh? Not much. So, you know, we're winding down to Christmas. Let me know what you guys got for Christmas. I haven't gotten anything. Nothing. We're on the tiniest, smallest budget ever. I don't know what to get my granddaughters. I'm probably going to get the most impersonal thing that you can get is a gift card. But I don't know what they like. I'm not there. They're all growing up. They're growing up way too fast. They were just in a concert. I'll have a little picture of my granddaughters here so you can see them. They were so beautiful in their little Christmas dresses. So beautiful. So that's the only thing about Christmas. I always miss out. I miss out on seeing my grandchildren. So it's really sad when you live that far away from people. You don't get to see them as much. So it's a little sad. So I have, my cats are out there running around like crazy playing. All right, guys, so I'm sorry this is so blah. I feel blah today. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like a little bleh, like, you know, so I don't know. But this is my Dollar Tree haul. I will be going to the Dollar Tree probably next week to see what's new, just to see what they might get in. But so far, really nothing new. I've seen a ton of DIYs. I just have not. The last DIY I'm going to do is going to be that mouse, and I know you guys will love it. If you love that gnome, you're going to love this mouse. So I'm going to get to work on it, actually. I want to get all this stuff set up for it so I can start filming it. Here's all right, Stormy. Guys. She made an appearance. Hi. Hi. Come on. Say hi to everyone. See? Say. No? You don't want to say hi? Come on. Say hi. Oh. Here's Stormy, everyone. Hi, Storm. Hi, Stormy. She's like, no, stop kissing me. All right, well, Stormy made an appearance. She wanted to say hi to everyone. Yeah? Hi, Stormy. All right, guys, I will let you all go. Thank you so much for stopping by. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and help me get noticed by YouTube. We're almost at 10,000. We only have 200 more to go, and we're at 10,000. So please, please help me get there. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.